Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Darcy D. I am not just a vocal coach. I've been blessed enough to make my living in music for over 30 years and counting. I'm a singer, songwriter, performer, producer, vocal coach, and artist developer. I'm a content creator and presenter for Musora Media. I have toured North America, Europe, and Japan as an artist and as a tour manager for Network Management, Vancouver, BC. I've been a juror for the Western Canadian Music Awards, Breakout West, and the Junos. I've sat on the board of directors for the BC Country Music Association and for the LA-based Vocology in Practice. As a voice coach, I train with the best and most qualified instructors on the planet. I've attended many times as a teacher and presenter at the Vocalize You Artist Intensive in Los Angeles. Many of my clients were picked up by managers, producers, labels, and/or discovered what their critical next steps would be for a career in music. I currently work with all types of singers and artists around the world and do workshops and classes all over North America. My clients have celebrated varying degrees of success, from better vocalists to performing at the Junos, receiving golden tickets on American Idol, performing on Broadway, signed to label and management deals, garnering #1 songs, and they have the gold and platinum hardware to prove it. I've helped hundreds of singers build better voices and become better artists. I've created this app to provide tools for singers to learn and apply proven vocal training methods that work. Within the app, you will learn what the voice is and how it works, what voice type you are, custom exercise plans for your voice, videos to demonstrate which vocal exercises to do and how to do them correctly, audio tracks of piano scales to exercise your voice wherever you go, auto-updated content to keep you on track with the latest techniques, methods, and vocal science, personal one-on-one training, and most importantly, total control of your voice. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, there is a next step for you. I invite you to try my virtual voice coach app free for 7 days. Should you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact me personally. Sing for yourself.